Are you looking for an external SSD for the PS5? In this video, I will show you the best external SSD for the PS5 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Samsung T5 portable SSD. It's hard not to get spoiled by the revolutionary speed advantage SSDs have over HDDs. Though everyone enjoys fast loading times, the bump in the speed department racks up the price tag quite a bit. You can always get more storage with HDDs for the price of an SSD, but if you know how much space you need and favor writing/reading speeds, no HDD can beat an SSD. Portable SSDs like Samsung T5 feature the same characteristics with HDDs and start working right after you plug them in via your PS5's USB port. The T5 comes with 3 different storage options ranging from 500 GB to 2 TB. While the choices seem limited, effectively doubling your console's storage size isn't an easy feat to dismiss. Each version of T5 offers writing and reading speeds up to 540 megabits per second. Another thing you may notice about portable SSDs is that they're much smaller than most HDDs. This gives them a huge advantage when it comes to physically storing them. The fourth product on the list is the Samsung 860 EVO SSD. Getting a portable SSD isn't the only way to up your storage game with fast loading times. Considering how expensive portable SSDs can get, a makeshift one can be a better option for gamers on a tight budget. Samsung 860 EVO is one of the most popular SSDs on the market because of its excellent price-performance ratio, coming in at 4 different sizes ranging from 250 GB to 4 TB. 860 EVO features a compact design. You'll need to pair it up with a USB 3.0 enclosure, however, to plug it into your PS5. And those usually cost around $5 to $10. USB enclosures are relatively simple products, and you'll only need to plug in your SSD inside. Once you close the lid, you'll be able to start using your SATA SSDs like portable drives. All 860 EVO models offer writing speeds up to 550 megabits per second, and 520 megabits per second when it comes to reading speeds. The third product on the list is the Seagate Barracuda Fast SSD. Product names are tricky. Most companies enjoy complicating things by pushing absurdly long names, which only confuses the end customer. Seagate, on the other hand, prefers keeping it simple. The only thing you need to know about the portable Barracuda is that it's fast. Like Samsung's hat in the portable SSD ring, Seagate Barracuda Fast SSD comes with 3 different storage sizes. Seagate advertises writing and reading speeds of 540 megabits per second for the 3 models with the capacity of 500 GB, 1 and 2 TB. Don't be surprised if you get slightly lower real-life values, though, since the conditions Seagate runs, these tests will be quite different than yours. The user-tested results put the portable Barracuda around the 460 megabits per second mark for both writing and reading speeds, which is quite decent. It looks quite low-key and features sleek aesthetics. In addition to the typical USB-C to USB Type-A cable, you'll also get a USB-C to USB-C cord, which means you won't need a converter to connect your portable drive to USB-C devices. Number 2 on the list is the Samsung T7 Touch Portable 1TB SSD. The Samsung T7 Touch is another fantastic SSD if you've got the money to spend. There is a 500 GB option if you don't have as much money to spend and a 2 TB option if you want to make sure you have plenty of storage space. In my opinion, the 1 TB option is that sweet spot between price and storage, so long as you can find a sale. This portable SSD comes in black and silver. I think this is a nice touch if you've got a specific color scheme going on in your entertainment center. Let's take a look at what's really important though, the specs. This SSD can read up to 1050 megabytes per SEC, and writes up to 1000 megabytes per SEC, transferring files almost 10 times faster than HDDs. Samsung has a T5 model as well, but the T7 model is twice as fast. So if you're going to invest in something that you'll likely have for multiple years, you might as well spring for the fastest model. And again, as the previous SSD mentioned, there are no moving parts within this SSD, so damage from drops, shocks, and vibrations is minimized. One of the coolest things about this SSD is the fingerprint or password security. The Samsung T7 Touch uses AES 256-bit encryption to protect your data, and allows you to unlock it with either your fingerprint or a password of your choosing. And everything is packed into this tiny, durable package. The T7 Touch is so small it can fit in your palm. Out of all the HDDs and SSDs on this list, the T7 Touch is the most compact and portable. Number 1 on the list is the Vectotec Rapid 2TB external SSD. The Vectotec Rapid SSD is pretty expensive, but you'll get extremely fast read/write speeds, making your games run extremely fast. With this 2TB external SSD, you'll have a read speed of up to 540 MB per SEC and transfer speeds that are 3-4x faster than conventional spinning hard drives. Also, there's a 1 TB option if you're looking for a less expensive, but still efficient SSD, and a 4 TB option if money is no issue, and you want to maximize your storage space. There aren't any moving parts inside, so it's more resistant to falling, shock, and vibration. It's made out of highly durable aluminum as well, adding to its resistance to minor damage. Although this SSD might not look the sleekest when compared to other brands, its specs speak for themselves. The Vectotec Rapid SSD is currently compatible with the PS4, and will most likely be compatible with the PS5 as well, just not with PS5 games, as mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.